उधर से ट्रंप ने एक इशारा किया, फोन उठाया, कहा मोदी जी क्या कर रहे हो? नरेंद्र सरेंडर, और जी हजूर करके नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने ट्रंप के इशारे का पालन किया। आपको एक समय याद होगा जब फोन कॉल नहीं आया था, 7th फ्लीट आई थी, 71 की लड़ाई में 7th फ्लीट आई थी, हथियार आए थे, एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर आया था। इंदिरा गांधी जी ने कहा मुझे कुछ जो करना है मैं करूंगी। ये फर्क है, इनका कैरेक्टर है। ये सारे के सारे ऐसे हैं। आजादी के समय से सरेंडर वाली चिट्ठी लिखने की आदत है। एक सेकंड में थोड़ा सा दबाव पड़े, भैया ये लो।
Just yesterday, the leader of your party, Rahul Gandhi, said Modi surrendered to President Trump.
Sorry, what was the last one there?
That Modi surrendered to President Trump.
Look, all I can say is that we have enormous respect for the American presidency and the American president. All we can say for ourselves is that we have never particularly wanted to ask anyone to mediate. As I said, we have no real difficulty in speaking the same language as the Pakistanis. As long as they use the language of terrorism, we will use the language of force, and that doesn't require a third party. If, on the other hand, they were to dismantle the infrastructure of terrorism, we can talk to them. If they take serious actions to show that they want to restore normal relationships with us, we can certainly talk to them again without needing an intermediary. So it's not in any way a negative comment about the goodwill of people. During this conflict, as I said, in any case, India didn't need persuading to stop. No one needed to tell us stop because we were telling them. The moment Pakistan stops, we are prepared to stop. So if they in turn then told the Pakistanis, you better stop because the Indians are willing to stop, and that was what they did, then that's wonderful gesture on their part with vis-a-vis Pakistan, but only Pakistan and they can tell us exactly what happened. With us, all we can say is that we know in our conversations some of these things didn't come up. But I want to say this in a very constructive spirit. We have an enormous respect for the US, and we have a much more important, valuable, strategic partnership with Washington that we wouldn't want to jeopardize over a matter of detail. We are interested, we're talking at the moment about a number of areas of cooperation. We're interested in enhancing all of that. So small matters can go by.